Hey everyone! So I recently came across this video by Brian who made this tiny power supply unit powered by USB power delivery. And in this video he shows how to build a power supply, and he made a little case for it that he found online. But he also asked for help on designing a new case and making something a little bit better that fits all the components. So I went down to the comments, offered my help, and got started on modeling a new case. So I started designing a few different layouts in Fusion 360, and in the end I settled on this version. I started printing, and here is a new tiny power supply unit. So basically it's just a two-part print that houses all the components from the video from Brian, and it's just a little bit more defined. It has the screen at a slight angle, connector at the back, the power cables leads in the front, and it's just a simple two-part print. So this is how it goes together. It can be printed in a simple straight orientation with little to no support. You have the connectors at the front and the USB module at the back that can be clicked into place. And then the screen can be slid in from the front, and everything can be connected and then can be closed down. So in the back there's a small latch, and then at the front you click it into place. And this is how the module looks. Very simple, very functional. And then if you have some leads, they can be connected in the front. And then you can have any voltage up to 30 volts on the output. So that's basically the whole module, and it's easy to adjust, to click it, and it can sit at a nice way on the side. I also made a upgraded version, which is a little bit more durable than this one. So it houses some brass inserts and some screws on the side, so there's no way of getting the two parts off. And this way you can just toss it in your bag and take it anywhere where you want it without worrying to open. Where this would live more on your bench and it wouldn't see that much forces from the outside. I added some little rubber feet so it's a bit less slippery. So this one could move around a bit easier. This one is very sturdy. I indicated some plus and minus, also the same here. And it houses the same connectors for the leads. And what I also added at the back is a small 30mm fan, which runs on 5 volts, and some exhaust fans here on the side that takes out the hot air. So if you really are a power user, then this would be better suited. I have checked in the module itself, there's a 3.3 volt line that might be able to be used for the van, but I would recommend a small tiny buck converter that powers down the input voltage to 5 volts for the van. And yeah, that's basically the new design of the power supply unit.